All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol TRMR. Currently traded at $2.26. We've seen a big drop over here. Looks to have to do with the earnings from 253 all the way down to $2.10. Yes, it was a big move, but nothing too crazy. I mean, we've seen how many stocks go from this point all the way down to a dollar. From the looks of it, you did rebound off that fairly well. Something that we would have been looking for right after that drop. This was requested to us over on YouTube. So if we were able to find this right there where it's bounced, we would have been looking for that right here. And as you can see, the day after that, which would have been the 10th, you opened at $2.02 and climbed up and hit a high at 223, closing at 217. In my opinion, that was a pretty big move. The rally has began. As far as I'm concerned, I think that this stock is going to correct itself and get up there. The first step that you're going to be looking for is to get up there above the 10-day simple moving average. If we pop a line right around there, it looks like your first level of resistance is going to be around 234. Now, if you're trading a stock right now, you're watching the stock, whatever the case might be, off of that big fall through down here, I would say that you came pretty close to hitting the support lines. They would have been fairly down here a little bit more, in my opinion, but you would have had much heavier support down there at the $1.98 area. Didn't quite get down that far, which is good. It rebounded fairly well. My opinion is if this volume keeps continuing, right here, that pressure, you're going to hit that 234 and then 239. Very good chance that you're going to rebound back to previous levels, which is always good to see that correction off of that. If I grab the trend line here, we can maybe place that off of this bottom one. That's going to be kind of steep on that, in my opinion. So we can bring that back to the second candle over here to get back inside that. So like I said, your first objective right now is to get past that 234. If you start seeing the 228, 229, 230 area climbing, if you pound through that 234, I do believe that you will get above that 241 area fairly quick. Joe, can you fill us in what this company does and what happened?
All right, so yeah, they're on the NASDAQ. I'm not really sure why it went down that much, like that quick. I'm guessing it was because there was the CEO announced that he was resigning, and that was on February 9th. But at that same time, they announced record fourth quarter earnings for 2016 financial results. So Tremor Video reports strong full year and record fourth quarter 2016 financial earnings, and then they also announced his CEO transition. So obviously the CEO transition overshadowed, their earnings. So you're probably right about it kind of coming back. All right, so let's see. Tremor Video Incorporated, a provider of software for video and video ad effectiveness, on February 9th announced record financial results for the fourth quarter and full year ended December 31st, 2006, meeting or exceeding expectations across all metrics, including record quarterly total spend, revenue, gross profit, and adjusted EBITDA. The company also announced that Bill Day, who has served as Tremor Video's CEO since 2008, has decided to resign from his position effective immediately. Mr. Day will continue to serve as special advisor to the company and its board of directors through June 1st, 2017. Non-executive chairman of the board and media industry veteran Paul Kane has been appointed interim chief executive officer effective February 9th, 2017, and will lead the search along with the board for the new CEO of the company. Mr. Day will also resign as a member of the company's board effective March 1st, 2017. So see how it shows you the highlights and everything else. I mean, they had a 4% year over year with their total revenue, and then record total spend of 254. Adjusted the record gross profit 76 million, up 2%. Just EBT, and then the fourth quarter highlights. See right there, it's like the you go down on that one. I mean, it's more, anybody's interested, go definitely take a look over here on Investors Hangout. You just pull up the news and you'll see the latest news right there for February 9th. And obviously go into the filings, check them out. Company info, you want to see what the company does. Go right on the company profile. And it basically just says that they was originally organized as Tremor Media LLC in November 2005 and converted into a corporation named Tremor Media Incorporated under the law of State of Delaware in September 2006. Changed its name to Tremor Video Incorporated in June 2001. And here we are.
All right. All right. So again, the message board, all that information that Joe just went over is available over here on investorshangout.com. Again, for the chart, I said 213, 226, watch for a rebound off this level. Resistance is at 234, 240. With buying, in my opinion, the stock will continue to correct itself and regain its loss. As Joe said, obviously, with what you've seen here, briefly going over that, the recent news, Joe pointed out something extremely helpful was inside of this. Again, this is available over on Investors Hangout under the recent news. Total revenue of $166.8 million, down 4% year over year. So maybe there was an initial shock off of the CEO stepping down, and obviously people are starting to look to the brighter side, and you're starting to see that rebound off of it. Like I said, over the long term, I really think that the stock is going to correct itself. So again, that is stock ticker symbol TRMR. Head over to investorshangout.com/live to let us know what favorite stock you have that you would like to see us cover next. And make sure you subscribe for more updates.